guys, welcome back. I have another grocery haul and meal plan for you. I have stuff everywhere. Um, I had this delivered again before work, so I'm gonna show what I ordered and got, and then when I get to work, I will show you the meal plan because I need to get this put up and get out the door. Let's flip it around. HEB delivered again because that's just the way to go. And yes, there's dishes in my sink because once I get the kitchen clean, somebody eats something. So, have some chicken fajitas. These are chicken thighs. This was on a huge sale. Usually this is about $11 or so. This is 4.29 pounds. And look, it's 4.28. It was $1 a pound. And these are the best fajitas. So we're having chicken fajitas. And if I was smart, I would probably break this up into two, but that's okay. I'll freeze what's left. Yes, I'll freeze what's left. That way I can turn it into something else. Anywho, there you go. Roast. It's that time of year. Roast is cheap. It was $8.84, and that is a 3.19 pound roast. So I'm half tempted to cut part of this off for stew meat. Drumsticks, family pack of drumsticks, $4.46, not bad. You'll see how I'm gonna use that in the meal plan. 1 pound of lean ground beef, 2 pounds, well, just under 2 pounds of ground sirloin, 2 packs of this beef eye round steak, 18 count of eggs, a gallon of orange juice, 2 gallons of milk, 2 gallons of tea. I thought I ordered 3, but I probably just ordered 2. I've been enjoying the peppermint mocha, but I decided that it's time to try the frosted sugar cookie. I've had it before. I like it. A small thing of margarine. I have plenty of butter and some sour cream. Dog food. I forgot her morning food, but I'm going to Target tomorrow for Christmas lights, so I'll just grab it when I go there. Sandwich bags and wet cat food. Excuse me. 3 avocados, bell pepper, sorry, onions. I finally used my last onion yesterday, and I cannot be without onions. Some corn on the cob, a can of Spam, tater tots, pizza rolls, potato wedges, hot dog buns, Crisco. I was totally out of Crisco. Didn't realize I was so close. Goodness. 2 boxes of Kraft macaroni and cheese. I am cheating and going to make this chocolate cake. I've made dessert from scratch 2 weeks in a row. I like to serve dessert on Sunday, and so I think we're going to have a chocolate cake this time. A Lipton onion soup mix. I don't know if I told you that. A box of stovetop. That's for the non-potato eater the night we have mashed potatoes. Crackers. Some fire roasted marinara. Instant mashed potatoes. Yes, I can make my own, but come on. I work, so I need shortcuts every now and then. Miracle Whip, because we're almost out. I also got some Hellmann's, because we're almost out. 2 big cans of tuna. This Lowry's garlic salt, it is the best. I use it in everything, and I'm almost out. So it was time to get another one of those. 3 cans. I thought I ordered 4 cans. Oh well. 3 cans of cream and mushroom soup. Garlic bread, celery, lemonade, hot dog wieners, 2 of the ranch dip, some salami, ciabatta rolls, nacho cheese and ranch HEB brand knockoff Doritos, and some tortilla chips. Also got some foil and some spaghetti. And I also have a loaf of white bread and a loaf of wheat bread that is in the other room, and 3 gallons of water. 3 gallons of water. So let's look at the meal plan. Okay, guys, I got it all done. So today is Friday. You are gonna see this Saturday morning. We're having chili dogs and chips. I had some chili that I made a couple weeks ago that I froze, and I just pulled it out this morning and got the stuff for hot dogs, as you saw. I was gonna do tater tots, but I might add that to breakfast. I don't have it down, but that sounds tasty too. Saturday, we are going to have a breakfast. I'm going to do pancakes, eggs, and sausage. Lunch is just crackers, salami, cheese, veggies, and dip. Supper is chicken fried steak fingers, potato wedges, gravy, biscuits, and corn on the cob. Sunday, I'm going to make breakfast tacos. Sandwich and chips is what we're going to have for lunch. Supper is going to be oven barbecue chicken legs, mac and cheese, salad. And for dessert, I'm going to make that chocolate cake. Monday, I have on here stroganoff meatballs, rice, broccoli, and rolls. I have not done stroganoff meatballs in a long time. Tuesday is, and honestly, they're more like a Swedish meatball. Maybe I'll video that. We'll see. Tuesday is chicken fajitas. Wednesday is spaghetti and garlic bread. Thursday is river ranch roast, mashed potatoes, green beans, garlic toast. And the extras that I'm going to make through the week is probably peanut butter surprise cookies. Any recipes that I already have from this meal plan, I will link up in the cards above and put down in the description box below. And you might want to start looking at the description box very closely, because coming up, there's going to be, that's how I am going to do some future giveaways. So if you like getting free stuff and you want to participate, you might want to pay attention to the description box top to bottom. I will start putting code words in there. Quite fun. So I think that is how I'm going to start doing some fun little things with you guys. I've also gotten some stuff in from Amazon that I wanted to share, and a couple things I picked up for my reading pleasure for the holiday season that I would like to share. So all that is coming up this upcoming week. I also need to do my Ipsy bag unboxing. And the thing I got from Amazon is my one of the advent calendars that I wanted to kind of share with you guys and get you to participate with me. It's kind of a dual purpose kind of advent calendar, so it'll be a lot of fun. So much coming up, and I made the decision not to participate in NaNoWriMo because an opportunity opened up, a business opportunity opened up, and I'm spending a lot of my free time learning and studying. So yeah, feels kind of good actually. So I will see you guys in the next video. I hope that you have an amazing weekend and go rock this Saturday. I will talk to you later. Bye.
I will not bow down. Keep putting me off, I'm not gonna change my mind. You're headstrong forward, but this time around